Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Happy Cash Out Fridays, alright? Happy Cash Out Fridays. I just wanted to show y'all the Featurepoints app, alright? From Featurepoints app. Like I said, I got so many different tutorials on this. So it's up to you to watch this. It's up to you to watch this tutorial. And like I said, use these sites wisely. Make these sites work for you, alright? Help you out every single day. So that way you'll be able to make some money online, get a couple of gain a couple of streams of income, and you could do things. You could do what you got to do. All right. Right here, you can see on the screen right here, got 14,000 points. Like I said, I just let this build. I just watch movies. I just watch videos, watch ads. I'll probably do a survey maybe once every couple of days, if that. All right. So it's up to you to figure out how to use my site and let it work for you. Alright, it's up to you to use my site and let it work for you on an every single day basis. Alright. This backyard is looking a crazy mess right here. So I'm gonna go end of summer right now, people. Alright, so this is gonna be the time to grind. Alright, so this video is just a Featurepoints cash out, but I just want to explain to you that this is gonna be time to grind right now. Alright, it's gonna be time to grind right now. Winter time is coming up, and it's the best time to do what you gotta do online in the winter time, alright? So let me just go to the Featurepoints app. Let me go to the home screen right here. Just put my screen down right here to show you guys what's going on. Look, share your custom videos. Once you start cashing out, you start doing what you have to do. Share a video, alright? They're gonna give you money. They're gonna give you money for that. Share a video. Enter the contest to win. Enter a contest. Come over here. Check out new Featurepoints on the web. You could go on the web. You could actually go on like Walmart.com, and whenever you purchase things, you will get a certain percentage off, and they will send that back to you. They will send that back to your account. So it's a lot of different things you can do. It's up to you on what are you trying to do on an every single day basis. It's up to you on what are you trying to do on an every single day basis. All right. And like I said, it's nothing big, nothing crazy. On this app, I probably only make about $6 to $8 a day every day on this app. All right, so it's nothing crazy. It's just that this is why I keep telling you guys over and over. It's multiple streams of income. If I have 10 different sites that's making me $5 every day, or I have 10 different sites that's making me $3 every day, that's $30. That's $50. All right, so it's up to you to find out what are you going to do with this money that you're getting on an every single day basis. How are you going to invest it? Where are you going to put it to, right? And then you're going to end up building and growing off that every single day. Every single day you're going to build and grow off that until by the end of the week you got something big. That's a big praying mantis right there. Look at this. See a praying mantis? I don't know if you guys can see it. See that? That's a huge praying mantis right there. I don't know if that thing jumps, so I'm gonna stay over here. That's a big praying mantis right there. I haven't seen one of those since I was a little kid. Alright, my bad, people. Yeah, so like I said, go on here, do tap research, do pole fish, do plain land. Like I show you these videos, people. I have these videos on here. It's up to you. You could go back into my channel. I have over 400 videos. I have videos to help you guys out. Why do I continue showing these videos? Because a lot of people don't understand you have to create and build multiple streams of income. If you do not do that, you're not going to be able to make things happen. You're not going to be able to really make things happen, okay? So now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to cash this out right here. Look, downloading the Race app, that's the easiest way. That's the easiest way to gain income on here. Alright? Easiest way. Now, since I gotta clean up this backyard, I don't like this praying mantis here, so I'm gonna throw him over the gate here. Throw him over the fence. So like I said, people, it's up to you on what you're trying to do and how you're gonna do it. Alright? Oh, bad, excuse me, I'm just trying to get this praying mantis out of here. Oh, damn. I didn't mean to do that. Hope it's okay. Alright. Let me just cash out real quick. Put this right here. Download erase apps, watch videos, cashback apps. So it's so many different things you can do. It's up to you to take some time out your day and put these apps together. Put these apps together, put these sites together on an every single day basis, alright? We'll go to rewards. I'm just going to cash out. I'm going to cash out two $10 cash outs. I'm probably going to have to put my password in here. I'm going to redeem this for 6,000. Let me see how many available points I have here. I have 14,567. Wait, 14,566. So I'm going to redeem this. $10 right here. Buy reward. Put this down. The reward is being processed and should be available soon. Alright? So, like I said, people, it's up to you on an every single day basis. Do what you have to do. You can add and put these sites and apps together on an every single day basis, and you can create streams of income. Alright? So it's $10 right here. And all I'm going to do is wait until that's processed. As soon as that gets into my PayPal, I'm going to cash out another $10. Alright? So it's going to be a $20 cash out. I'm still going to have points remaining. Once my other points get cleared up, that's going to be another $5, $10. So you have to understand that this adds up. It's up to you on an every single day basis to use my system to build multiple streams of income. Alright? Happy Cash Out Fridays, $20 cash out, Featurepoints app. Like I said, I just showed you. This is a quick video, just a cash out video, just a proof video. But if you want to see an in-depth, in-detail tutorial, go to my channel. Go to my channel, watch these videos, study these videos, and you will be able to earn income every single day. Alright? Everybody out there, shout out to my online team. Appreciate all the love. Hit me up. Hit me up on Instagram. Comment. Hit me up. I do 100% free Q&As. Alright, where do these goggles come from? Why is this chair here? Why is this back here? I don't understand. My bad, people. I'm just looking at my backyard and things that's just in different places. I gotta figure out why it's like that. Water here? No? Alright, cool. Yeah, like I said, go to my channel, hit me up on Instagram. Hit me up on Instagram and ask me anything. I will help you. I will help you. I actually respond back. Alright, people, I get hundreds of comments every day across all platforms. I actually hit you back. Why? Because I care about you guys. And when I was starting off, there was nobody to help me out, so I had to figure everything out myself. Alright, there's nobody that was giving me free Q&As and asking me questions, and I could hit them back and stuff like that. So definitely use that to your advantage. Just follow me on Instagram and hit me up. Ask me anything. I help you. Alright? Happy Cash Out Fridays. Free online money maker signing out. Peace.